too dangerous. Oh, look! I think it likes me. Do you want to ride?
What are you doing, Thomas? Engines can't have pets.
Dogs are a big responsibility.
Don't be silly, you two. I know I can't look after a dog. But at least I can help to find its home. Birdie! Do you know anyone who's lost a dog? No.
Sorry, Thomas.
Hurry along now, Thomas.
I knew I needed to focus on my jobs. But I really wanted to help my new fuzzy friend. Hey! Where are you going? Uh-oh. Squirrel! Come back! We need to find your home! Here, doggy, doggy! Where are you, doggy? Wow! Oh no! What have I done? I'm stuck. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize looking after a dog would be such hard work.
My cat! Oh, why, haven't you grown, little Thomas? Oh, glad to see you still love visiting the railway.
Yes, I can't wait to see Big Thomas. Where is he?
Good question, son. He should have been here ages ago.
Oh, not you again. Right, let me call that dog warden. Hang on. That's Thomas's driver's cap. Thomas? Has something happened to Thomas? Emily, we need to find Thomas. He's in trouble.
Oh, yes, sir. You can count on me. But how will I know where to find him, sir?
Just follow that dog.